In this video, I'm going to show you how you can attach images to your review requests, showcasing your work by maybe even showing the before and after images. If you're in the beauty industry, very handy. In any medical industry, can really increase the response rate and conversion rate so that people or prior customers will leave you a review. The images are being sent within the message and will also appear within the conversation tab for your team's reference. Customers then can also use these pictures when they give you a review to increase the credibility. Supported channels for this are currently email and SMS, and you can attach 5 pictures. The supported formats are JPEG as well as PNG, and the file can't be bigger than 5 MB. Let me show you how you can set this up. So first, let's navigate to Reputation on the left, click on Reviews at the top, then click Send Review Request. Then here you would typically select the contact name where you would like to send a request to, and down here you would choose the modes. Email or WhatsApp is not turned on for this account, so let's go with SMS. Then here you can add your text. This is the default template, or you can create your own template and pull it in here. And then right here, you can upload those pictures. Click Upload Photos. Then add the photos you would like to add and then hit Send Review Request. Now, these photos would be included in all the channels. If I would select email, then these pictures would also be included within the email. If I would select WhatsApp, then these pictures would be included in the WhatsApp. If email or WhatsApp is not enabled for your account, simply click on email and click on Enable Email Request. From there, you have more settings you can modify so that you then can also use the emails. Let's go back to Reviews, Send Review Request, and here you can see emails is now enabled. And again, down here you can then upload your pictures. Please note that these pictures won't be stored in the media library or in the template library. And that's how easily you can achieve higher engagement, because these pictures may help your customers to recall the work, and that will increase your chance to collect more reviews. Now, if you're looking to sell reviews via HighLevel, make sure to check out my links below, because we have built an entire review AI snapshot for you where you have more features than just these basic high-level functionalities. We have created many different workflows that allow you also to attach images to WhatsApp, for example, which the native review AI cannot do just yet. It comes also with setup instructions and with tips and tricks on how to go out and sell review AI. I will see you on the other side.